Hey Audrey, this is Dan Oakes calling. I have a quick question for you.
Uh-huh.
My wife put together a cookbook with a bunch of recipes in it, like a family cookbook, and she's got a PDF file, and we're
Okay.
wondering if we can send that to you and have you print that for us in like a
Yeah.
cookbook format. Can you bind that for us and everything?
Yeah, we can coil bind it. That's only what kind of binding we do here.
Okay.
Um, sort of coil bind. And then we can add. I'm not sure if she has a cover. Like, is it all in color or is it just in
It is all
black
in
and white?
color, yeah, and
It
because
is
she's
all in
got
color.
photos with each recipe
Okay.
and everything, yeah.
And do you know how many pages it is?
Yeah, it's 214 pages,
And are you wanting it double sided or single sided?
double sided.
Double sided.
Yeah.
Okay, so we could do 214 pages, but that's images. Sorry, I'm doing math in my head here.
Sure, no problem.
I think we can do it for 107
Right.
pages altogether. So we could do it for, it'd be 110 per sheet. So $1.10 per sheet for color. For the coil binding, probably like anywhere between $5 and $8 the coil bind. And then we have a plastic cover and a black vinyl back if you'd like, and those are 99¢.
Okay, so what's that come to? Like over $100? Is that right then? For
I can do a little bit of math here really
okay,
quick.
yeah. Tell me the total if you would.
Yeah, so just printing it would be 117.70. The covers, it's 126.48 before tax.
126.48 before tax. Okay, okay, that sounds great. Thank you so much. I sure appreciate
Did
it.
you need our email address?
I think I got it from your website here.
Okay, perfect. All right.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
No problem. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye bye.